How to download BitTorrent on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download BitTorrent on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for BitTorrent download. And once you've searched, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with the first official website, which is www.bittorrent.com. Just click on it, and here you will have free download option. Click on the free download. Once you click on the free download, as you can see that you will have these four options, which is Pro plus VPN, privacy online, and then you will have the Pro version, which is the popular one, and then you have the ad-free version and the basic version. So if you want to download the BitTorrent for free, then you need to go with the free version and then go with download now, which will be in right. Click on it and then wait for the download to finish. Go with the top right, and if it says this kind of interface, you need to just click on it and then go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. After that, you need to run the downloader. So you need to double click on this. And once you double click on that, you need to just go and accept the terms and conditions and then click on install, and it will start the installation process. That's how you can download the BitTorrent web. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.